Nakaka-sense ako ng energy, like nakaka-vibe ako ng energy rito na posibleng mainis ka or hindi naman mabwisit, pero parang maiinis ka. Yan. So, bakit? There could be a communication coming in towards you. Because we have here the Knight of Swords. It looks like meron ditong bearer of news. May magdadala rito ng news or may mag-open dito ng communication or mag-open ng topic. And picking up topic. Yan. Baka may kausap ka dito, may kakwentuhan, tapos baka may mababanggit siya, may inis ka. Yan yung nakukuha ko dito. Okay. Let's see. Kaya, ano man yung babanggitin niya with the moon card energy, this is something here na parang wala ka ng pakialam or parang ganun yung kuha ko dito, parang this is you na parang pwede bang wag na natin pag-usapan yan, let's skip the topic, may mga ganun, no? But for some reason, this is you. Sige, gusto ko pa rin iparating kung ano yung opinion ko or kung ano yung masasabi ko about that certain topic or certain situation, no? Yan. Well, wala namang masama, no? Lahat naman ay meron tayong free to express our feelings, sentiments. Pwede ka ring mag-rant if you want. Okay? Pero ramdam ko talaga yung ines coming from your energy. Let's all find out what is this all about. Okay. Parang may nag-iisip dyan mag-shopping. Yan. Either online yan or pupunta kayo sa mall or directly dun sa shop. Yan. That doesn't have to be. Just take how this resonates. Okay? Okay. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah, of course. Okay. Hey there mga my loves collective. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel, babes. So before we start your reading, reminders muna kasi na hindi to for everybody. And of course, this is timeless as well. Pwedeng tapos na to sa iba, pwede naman na nangyayari ngayon sa kasalukuyan at pwede naman na hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong future. So, just take only what resonates here with you guys. And we do not have any gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, lahat kayo welcome. Pwede nyo rin pong i-flip yung roles if you want since this is general reading, and at the end of the day, you always have your free. Well, so with this Three of Cups energy, Knight of Swords right here, Knight of Wands, and there's this Two of Cups right at the center of this reading. I do see you right here talking to a friend or someone you're comfortable with. Pwede rin naman na coworker or colleague, kasamahan sa trabaho pero friend mo na rin. Or this could be your circle of friends, no? Na posibleng close kayo nitong person na to, no? At may dala-dala siya ritong balita sa'yo. Sa'yo nga mga babes, no? Ito yung klase ng balita na, alam mo yung nakakaumay. Ito yung klase ng balita na ayaw mo marinig, no? Na kung sakali man na kumakain kayo, no, kapag dumating tong balita na to, no, parang gusto mong mag-throw up. Yan, napasintabi sa mga kumakain, no? Parang, parang ikaw to na sasabihin mo dito sa friend mo, no? Ano ka ba? Nasa harapan tayo ng grasya. Huwag kang nagsasalita ng ganyan. Yan. So, whatever the case may be, ano man yung ginagawa ninyo, na nakikita ko rito na kumakain man kayo or hindi, mauumay kayo sa sasabihin niya. Ano ba yan nakakaumay na sasabihin niya, Miss Yan? Well, I do see that with this Ten of Swords energy, Three of Swords right here, Four of Cups and the strong Knight of Wands energy, someone na posibleng dinate mo multiple times or lumabas kayo multiple times, no, or nanligaw sa'yo, yan, no, dating, ganyan, no, nabalitaan mo na kung sino man yon may dinidate na yon na iba or going on blind dates or posibleng nalaman mo na meron na siya ritong ibang dinidate or may mga iba na siya ritong mga um, sinusubukan na kilalanin o getting to know with other woman or other man. Wala tayo ditong gender, LGBTQ of course, welcome rin kayo. So in short, yung tao na yan, pinasakit niya yung ulo ninyo kasi lumalabas siya rito bilang player type of energy, no? Parang, uy friend, collective, alam mo ba nakita ko yung nanliligaw sa'yo, may nililikawan na siyang iba ngayon. Dating na siya ngayon, 'yan 'no. Tas ikaw 'to na, ang maaaring maging reaksyon mo sa kanya 'no is, ayan naman, buti nga nag-stop ako na kausapin 'yan, eh. Buti nga in-stop ko yung communication ko sa kanya, Eight of Wands energy to the Five of Swords, eh. You know, just as you were glad 'no, na hindi mo na kinakausap yung person na 'yan 'no, pero ikaw ito na makaka-receive ka ng balita sa kanya na dating na siya with other people right here. So, the reason kung bakit ka nag-stop talking with that person, it is because nahuli mo siya talking, flirting with someone else, no? At hindi siya nagfo-focus sa'yo lang. So, maaaring during your dating era or dating moments with this person right here, nahuli mo yung taong ito na nakikipag-chat or nakikipag-usap palihim, no, sa kanyang cellphone with other guys or with other men right here. So, nakita ko dito that this is you. You already know that this person here is someone who is very playful, very flirty, and non-committal at player. Certified 101% player, no? So, parang ikaw to na parang tesa, parang never mind, parang ganun, no? Okay lang. At least hindi na ako nakikipag-usap sa tao na yan, no? Good luck na lang sa next victim niya. Yan. So whatever the case may be, you are considering this person here as someone na buti na lang dumisconnect na ako sa person na yan. Buti na lang pinili kong wag na kausapin yan, no? Yan. Ikaw ito na parang with this Five of Wands energy, Two of Cups right here, and there's this Five of Swords, no? Strong Hermit energy. This is you. As if naman gusto kong maging options 'no, 'yan 'no. Parang napaka-strong ng gusto mong iparating do'n na parang as if naman gusto kong maging options 'no, or gusto kong maging options lang, 'yan. Because this is you, you know na deserve mo din na may pangarap ka rin kasi when it comes to love. So, 'yun yung nakikita ko rito. Ayan, sorry about the commercial mga babes, no? I need to open the door. So, going back right here, yun nga, no? Ikaw ito na may pangarap ka rin kamo when it comes to love. No, gusto mo rin syempre yung hindi ka options, no? Gusto mo yung ikaw lang yung pinupurso dito, hindi yung kung sino-sino yung kinakausap. Yan, no? Kahit sabihin pa na nililigawan ka niya, tapos nakikipag-usap siya kung sino-sino, di ba? Parang isa na yung indikasyon na hindi siya seryoso sa'yo. So, alam mo na agad yun. No? So, ito yung tao na to na parang binitray ka ng harap-harapan kasi nakita ko dito na posibleng nagchat-chat siya or may kinakausap siya no, kahit na magkasama kayo. Okay? Siguro nagsi-CR siya para sagutin yung tawag ng isa niya pang kausap. No? So, pang ilang number ka kaya dyan? Na nakasave sa kanyang phone number, 'di ba? So, nakita ko rito, I mean sa kanyang phones list or sa contact list niya, 'no? So, nakita ko rito that this person here, kahit na dun sa short time na nagkakausap kayong dalawa, 'no, nasaktan ka pa rin kasi parang ikaw 'to na parang this person, hindi ka niya iginalang. So, nakita ko rito mga babes, 'no, na alam mo yun, yung parang binigyan mo kasi siya ng chance, eh, to get to know you. binigyan mo siya ng chance rito, you open up your door for this person, you open up your heart for this person, you give this person here a chance. 'Di ba? Tapos nalaman mo na hindi pala siya gano'n kaseryoso. Kasi ang dami-dami niya palang kinakausap, 'di ba? Parang, ikaw ito na parang such a bummer 'no, parang nakaka-disappoint 'no, na nakaka-frustrate na mali yung taong binigyan ko ng chance. I did open up sa taong ito and then sinayang niya yung chance na yun. So, you think that this person played games with you, this person played your heart, no, and waste your time. At nakita ko rito that this is you after hearing this um, news right here about this person, no, na minsan nang nanligaw sa'yo habang nililigawan din yung mga iba. Yeah, mga iba, no, is alam mo yun, one, you feel disappointed dun sa mga iba niya pang kinakausap, 'no? Kasi this person you know na non-committal siya, 'no? And second, ikaw ito na parang disappointed ka sa kanya kasi parang siya ito na never niyang mahanap yung real love kung patuloy niyang gagawin 'yan. So, nakikita ko rito that as far as your sake, no, your own sake is concerned, this is you already save yourself from this person. You stop talking with this person, and this is you. You are now peaceful. You are now okay. Nakamove on ka na rin kahit medyo masakit na parang may tao pa rin palang manloloko, no? At muntik ka nang ma-fall sa kanya rito. Talaga ng tuluyan. Buti na lang this is you, tinapos mo na rin agad 'no? Dahil nung nakita mo yung mga red flags nitong tao na 'to, hindi mo na hinayaan na mahulog ka pa lalo sa kanya. So you did moved away from this person, Six of Swords energy, Ace of Cups, and there's this Nine of Pentacles, which only means that this is you, you know that meron ka ring pangarap when it comes to love. At yung pangarap mo hindi lang yung isang basura 'no, na parang, "Oh, sige ito na lang kasi siya yung available, eh." Kundi may pangarap ka talaga na, "Gusto ko sa isang person na makakasama ko, yung aalagaan ako." May checklist ka 'no, yung rerespetuhin ako, yung makikinig sa'kin, yung deserve yung love ko. At yung meron din talagang, pag-a-appreciate sa tunay na meaning ng love, 'yan. So, nakikita ko rito that this is you, you're realizing here your worth when it comes to love. You do not want to be like the other people na, 'yan, without any judgment, but we do all know that some of the human beings out there, no, they tend to stay in a relationship because they love the person even though hindi na nila nare-receive yung right love for them, isn't it? Unfortunately, marami-rami pa rin yung ganon and you do not want to be one of them. Because you know what you deserve. You know na hindi mo deserve na umiyak kahit na isang kapatak ng luha. Hindi mo deserve na ma-disappoint at hindi mo rin deserve na tratuhin ng hindi maganda in any shape, way, or form. So this is you, you believe that there is someone here right for you and this person here, eh, it's a blessing in disguise, no, na natuklasan mo agad na player siya, na may kinakausap pa siyang mga iba, 'no, chatting other people, 'no, maaaring higit pa sa isa yung kanya ritong social media accounts, 'no, just to connect with other people, 'no. Alam mo yung iniisip mo palang nakikipag-usap siya sa napakadaming tao or sa ibang mga tao rito 'no, napapagod ka na. Ikaw yung napagod 'no? Kasi nakita ko dito that you see this person here as someone who is hopeless 'no, pagdating sa receiving the right type of love. So, kung hindi niya 'to titigil, this is something here na magiging problema niya in the future 'no, na parang siguro 'pag ready na siya to fall in love talaga ng tunay na love talaga 'no, mahihirapan na siyang mahanap 'yun because of the background that he or she is doing right now, 'di ba? 'Di ba nga sa mga NBI, sa mga police clearance, 'di ba? Nahihirapan, example lang 'to, nahihirapan maghanap ang isang individual ng trabaho kapag may record siya sa pulisya, 'di ba? Or 'pag merong tantos yung NBI niya, 'di ba? So, itong person na 'to, mahihirapan siya dito makahanap ng right love for him or her kung ipagpapatuloy niya yung ganitong klase ng gawain. Okay? He or she cannot be able to find that real love kapag ka-ready na siya, okay, na tanggapin, okay, in the future, yung love talaga. Okay, kasi ngayon parang laro-laro lang, hindi niya sineseryoso, no? And this person right here is dating, connecting with other people, may dinidate, tas may kinakausap pang iba, kagaya ng ginawa niya rito sa inyo, no? So, this person here is giving me the vibe na posibleng ginagamit niya yung looks niya kasi yung iba good looking, okay? Iba attractive, yung iba, doesn't have to be na gwapo or maganda, but looks tidy and neat. Yung iba naman, no, doesn't have to be na good looking, pero malakas yung appeal. Kasi minsan, pag malakas yung appeal ng isang tao, nakaka-attract, di ba? So, I think, this person here, meron siyang kakaibang charm na ganun. Kaya na-attract niya rito yung mga individual at maaaring yun rin yung nangyari noon, no, kung ba't kayo na-attract at na-attach sa kanya. Good thing, wala na kayo doon kasi nakaungos na kayo palayo sa taong ito, no? I'm seeing you right here, enjoying here your own life, okay? Moving forward. At ikaw ito, no, na itong balita na 'to 'no is isang balita na lang na parang disappointing pa rin, pero medyo may awa kang nararamdaman 'no, dun sa mga mabibiktima niya pa at lalong-lalo na rin sa kanya 'no. So nakikita ko dito mga babes with the Ace of Cups energy, you're waiting for that right type of love to enter your life, and I'm seeing na habang hinihintay mo yun, you're just enjoying every moment here. You're just enjoying the things that you want to do. You're just enjoying here doing the things that you love doing. And I'm seeing that this is you. You're enjoying here your single life, no? Before mo ma-meet ang right one for you. You're okay? Filling up your own vessel. Ano ibig sabihin nun? You're filling up your own vessel means this is you. You're contributing here to yourself, doing some self-love, na alagaan mo yung sarili mo, na para pag na-meet mo na yung the one for you, talagang very, very good ang iyong energy, very positive, very mas beautiful ka, mas glowing ka, mas handsome ka to face the right person here for you. It's like preparing yourself to meet the right person here in perfect divine timing. And okay, love will show up with the Ace of Cups energy. Love will show up out of the blue for you guys. Okay? This is something here unexpected, but this is something here that you will surely love. So yeah, see, love really moves in mysterious ways. If you get stuck with this person here who is a player, what do you think will happen? Are you going to meet the love of your life or not? Okay? Hindi, kasi masa-stuck ka pa sa isang klase ng sitwasyon na dapat ay inalisan mo agad kung hindi ka kaagad umalis dito sa klase ng connection na 'to with this type of player energy, 'di ba? Pero dahil umalis ka diyan, this is you, you give yourself here the opportunity to meet the right person here for you. Mas mabilis, 'di ba, na mas makilala itong taong nararapat para sa'yo. So yeah, wow, 'di ba? So this news right here will definitely not surprise you, but this is an indication right here that isa sa pinakamagandang desisyong ginawa mo is inalisan mo tong connection na 'to habang maaga pa. Yan. Very good, 'no? Dahil alam mo kung ano yung mga dapat mong gawin at alam mo kung ano yung mga deserve mo. So yeah, these are all the messages we've got right here for your Sunday reading, honey. Thank you so much, sweetheart, for your time. Okay, so check out other channel if you're interested. Link is down below sa ating description box. Thank you. Sarang hayo. Love and light.